Hi, in this video we are going to see how to enter, compile and run a C++ program using Visual Studio. We are going to write a very small program which will display Hello World on the computer's screen. So let's start C++ by clicking on this Visual Studio icon which I have right here on the taskbar, but you can have anywhere on your desktop. If you don't have this Visual Studio icon on the taskbar or on the desktop, then click on Start, All Programs, scroll down till you see Visual Studio 2013 folder, open it and click on Visual Studio Application. Now this is what you should see on your screen. Make sure Solution Explorer window is visible. If it is not, then click on View, Solution Explorer. Now the first thing which we need to do is to create a new project. Either you can create a new project by clicking on this new project link or click on File, New Project. Make sure C++ is selected here. Click on Win32 console application. Let's give a meaningful name to this project. Let's give Hello World. Now pay attention to the location of this project. This is the default location, but you can save it anywhere in your computer. For that, you will be clicking on Browse and you can choose any location you want to. For the time being, let's save it at the default location. So let me cancel this out and now click OK. Now click on Application Settings. Check this Empty Project checkbox. Make sure Console Application is selected here and click Finish. Now right click this source files, add new item. Don't forget to click the C++ file and let's give a meaningful name again to this file and let's give Hello World again and click Add. Now this is the area where you will be typing your program. Now let me shift this camera to this document camera, and this is our complete program. Let me give you very briefly a line by line explanation of this program. The first 3 lines are comments. In C++, a comment begins with 2 forward slashes. It is a good programming practice to start a program with comments. The comment on the first line should describe the purpose of the program. The comment on the second line should name the programmer. The comment on the third line is describing the date on which the program was written. Now pound include IOStream on line 5 is known as preprocessor directive. What it does is that it includes the contents of file IOStream in the program. The IOStream file contains code to display output on the screen. Make sure to put this # before the word include. Preprocessor directives start with the pound sign. Make sure to put these angular brackets around IOStream. Now this namespace, using namespace statement in line 6 simply means to use standard namespace. Do not worry about the details right now. Now int main on line 8 marks the beginning of the program. Make sure to put this set of parentheses after the word main. Now int stands for integer. It indicates that an integer value is sent back to the operating system when the program is finished executing. Now we put this left curly brace, and then we have the corresponding right curly brace on line 14. The entire program goes inside this set of braces. Now this cout on line 10 will display hello world message on the screen. In C++, cout is used to display information on the computer's screen. Make sure to put this operator after cout. This operator is written as two less than signs. Also make sure to put double quotes around this message. Now endl is known as stream manipulator. Because of this endl, programming is fun will be displayed on the new line. If we remove this endl, then programming is fun will be displayed right after hello world. Now you might have noticed in C++, every statement ends with a semicolon. Now this return 0 statement on line 13 returns 0 back to the operating system. The value 0 indicates that the program completed successfully. So this was our program. Let me switch camera back to the computer. Now let me paste the entire program. Now let's compile this program by clicking on Build, Build Solution. If your program does not have any errors, you should see this message, 1 succeeded, 0 failed. Now let's run this program by clicking on Debug, Start without debugging. And this is our output. Hello world, programming is fun is on the next line, bye. So that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I wish you success in your pursuit of programming. Thanks.